Hi guys! Today I'm showing you this new KitchenAid 5.5 quart bowl lift stand mixer. It's 11 1/4 inches wide, 14 1/4 inches deep, and 16.5 inches tall. It may fit under your cabinets. The cord length is 43.2 inches. This KitchenAid is 475 watts and has 10 speeds. The new motor also features a half speed, perfect for folding delicate ingredients like egg whites and berries. Included is a 5.5 quart stainless steel bowl with a handle, coated flat beater, coated dough hook, 6-wire whip, and a user guide. The motor head has an attachment hub. Turn the knob and remove the cover. Attach any KitchenAid attachment, turn the knob, and it's ready to use. Screw the cover back on. If you want to buy this unit or any attachments, I'll put the products and links right below this video. You can use a spiralizer, make pasta with the cutter, there's a slicer shredder, dicer, etc. I've reviewed some of these attachments and also the pouring shield and flex edge beater, and I will link those videos below if you're interested. The flat beater is for mixing and folding ingredients for cakes, frostings, etc. Use speeds 1 to 6 and a half speed for folding. The dough hook is for kneading when making bread and pizza dough. Use speed 2, and most yeast doughs should be done within 4 minutes. The wire whip is for whipping eggs and cream. Use speeds 4 to 10. This is the beater height adjustment screw that you can turn to the left to raise the beater or right to lower it. You only need to make an adjustment if your beater is too far away from the bottom or is hitting the bowl. The beater should just clear the bottom of the bowl. The bowl lift lever raises and lowers the bowl. Before you attach the bowl, the mixer should be off and unplugged. The lever should be down. Put the bowl supports on the pins and press the back of the bowl down. You hear that snap. Flip the attachment on the beater shaft and turn to hook it over the pin. Move the lever up to raise the bowl, and now the mixer is ready to use. When you're done mixing, move the lever down. Push the beater up and turn to the left. Pull it down off the shaft. The stand mixer can mix 11 dozen cookies, mash 6 pounds of potatoes, and 7 loaves, 7 1/4 pounds of bread. If you want to buy this unit or any attachments, I'll put the products and links right below this video. When you first get the unit, do wash the bowl and attachments before you start using them. To show you how this KitchenAid works, I'll make an orange cranberry loaf, pizza dough for focaccia, and whipped cream. First I'll make pizza dough. I'll add all the ingredients to the bowl. The yeast, half a cup of warm water, sugar, salt, olive oil, and the flour. Put the dough hook on and raise the bowl. Turn to speed 1 to mix. Now turn to speed 2 and knead for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. The dough is sticky, but it does come off the dough hook. Nice and elastic dough. If your dough is really wet, you can add some flour when it's kneading. The amount of flour in the dough, of course, is going to vary according to temperature, humidity, etc. Cover it and let it rise until doubled, an hour to an hour and a half. Now I'll use the flat beater to make an orange cranberry loaf. Put the soft butter in, add the sugar. We'll cream this on high for about 4 minutes. Now we'll add the eggs one at a time on lower speed. Since we're making such a small quantity, you will have to scrape the bowl down. This recipe just has 1 stick of butter, we'll alternate adding the flour and the milk. You want this on low speed because you don't want flour to fly everywhere. Use speed 1 or 2. This is speed 2. Half of the buttermilk. You don't want to overmix this. If there's any flour on top, just get that off. And we'll just use half speed to mix in the nuts and the cranberries. Of course, you don't have to stop while you're doing it at home. I just have to stop to show you each step. Half speed. You can see how slow that is. And that's it. It just takes a few seconds. Take the bowl off and give it a final mix. It's mixed pretty well. I don't see anything in the middle bottom, but it's always good to mix it at the end, just in case. And that's it. Our batter is ready. Now I'll make whipped cream using the wire whip. About 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. We'll whip this on high. This is soft whipped cream. You can keep going and beat it further if you want it a little more stiff. I'm going to go a little bit more. Don't overdo it because you don't want it to turn into butter. That's perfect. It's probably best to use the bowl shield because the cream did splatter all over the place while whipping. Nicely whipped cream. To clean, the bowl is dishwasher safe. The flat beater and dough hook are top rack dishwasher safe, but the wire whip is hand wash only with warm soapy water. The body can be wiped down with a damp cloth. If you want to buy this unit or any attachments, I'll put the products and links right below this video. You saw how this KitchenAid did on the pizza dough, orange cranberry loaf, and whipped cream. Now you have an idea of how this new model KitchenAid works. The bowl is a good size. You can make a small amount or a large amount, and the mixer is not massive. Of course it's big, but it's not as huge as the 7-quart bowl lift. It's more manageable for the average home. I do like the bowl lift design, and like all KitchenAids, it's pretty simple to use. As always, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful content. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.